So Chris, our access codecs are sold worldwide. We have over 10,000 units out there. But one thing I get asked a lot is, why did we come out with the NX if we've had the TUSB and it's been so successful?
Well, you're right, it is successful, but it came out in about 2006. And if you think about it, the technology has changed substantially since then. For example, this has a resistive touchscreen that's only about 3 inches, and you've got these new touchscreens that are 5-inch capacitive, so you don't have to use a stylus, you can just use your finger now. But the processor is also more powerful, and a lot of the circuitry is also more powerful as well.
So one thing that people have said for their units that they've implemented crosslock into is that it was running a little bit slower on the 2USB. Has that been fixed with the NX?
Yeah, and that's really due to the more powerful processor. It's twice as fast as the one that's in the 2USB. But the 2USB is still very powerful. If you just need a single micro line level input and headphone output, that unit is great for just doing one-on-one interviews. It has a 5-channel mixer that's optional, so you can add that for a total of 6 microphone or line level inputs and headphone outputs. But we listened to our customers that wanted to have an additional micro line level input. So the Access NX Portable by itself has 2 micro line level inputs and headphone outputs. This also has digital encoders versus analog pots, which makes it a little bit cleaner. And again, that 5-inch touchscreen offers a lot more real estate, so it has a lot more features that you can incorporate on the touchscreen.
And when people have seen the NX on the trade show floor, they usually ask me what the lights are that are blinking on the inputs.
Well, we have a nice multicolor LED built into the knobs. It actually goes green, yellow, red, so when it's red, you know you're overmodulating. But you also have peak input limiting on each of the mic pre-inputs, so it's not going to clip on you.
So what other physical improvements have been made between the NX platform versus the 2USB?
Well, we have listened to customers quite a bit, and we did make some significant changes. Things like instead of having an external battery, we now have an internal battery. It's a different power connector on the backside, and also a much more robust connection between the portable and the external mixer.
So where can people get more information about the NX?
Well, we have some white papers and videos on our website that talk about the Comrex NX Portable. You can also contact your favorite broadcast supplier for a quote or to arrange a demo.